Hi, my name is James. Channel Us. The best review for you. We have prepared this presentation video about Ted McGrath's TedsWoodworking. If you have a passion for woodworking, for the most part, you would have spent hundreds of dollars or more on woodworking projects. It will take much longer than you thought, or you may have given up because you got your measurements all wrong. I understand your pain because I have been in your shoes. And if I told you that you can do the job cheaper, faster, and without headaches using my joinery plans. Here's the big problem. Most woodworking plans and magazines are complete garbage. Why? They skip many important parts, their diagrams are confusing, unclear, or even wrong. No wonder woodworking seems so difficult. The truth is, I spent a lot of time looking online and reading magazines. Most of them just left me with more questions than answers. What if I told you that you could get your hands on 16,000 woodworking projects with plans already made for you, with step-by-step plans? More caution. Many people bought from the wrong website and did not receive the plans with bonuses. To help you out, the official site is in the description of this video. I recommend TedsWoodworking for your next mercenary project. Does the mercenary projects really work? Yes, I bought it and it really works and delivers what it promises. I received 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans. I like that it looks like a perfect mercenary plan, for me as a beginner. With the simple, hold it by the hand, instructions, you can complete woodworking projects in the small fraction of the time it currently takes you. It's like having a master woodworker by your side, guiding you through the entire project. Cut and material lists. You get the exact list of cuts and materials for each project. Detailed drawings. With clear and colorful drawings included with every plan, there is simply no guesswork involved. The level of detail makes the most challenging project a walk in the park. Suitable for beginners and professionals alike. Whether you are a complete beginner, an amateur woodworker with hand tools, or an experienced professional, you will find thousands of projects that will suit your level. Now you can build almost any kind of project with TedsWoodworking. Most of us don't fully realize our woodworking talents because we think our projects will cost a bundle. But at TedsWoodworking, you'll get proven strategies to complete your costs for a fraction of what most retailers charge. Most of us don't fully realize our woodworking talents because we think our projects will cost a bundle. But at TedsWoodworking, you'll get proven strategies to complete your costs for a fraction of what most retailers charge. Thanks for watching. Leave your like on the video.